Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you are completely new here, I'm so glad you found me. Today I won't be speaking much, but rather I would ask you to join me and spend some creative time as I make these two paintings today. The first one will be in gouache. So right now I am preparing the paper for the painting. Preparing in the sense I am just tearing it off into little rectangular pieces. And the second painting is an abstract rose which I would draw, and this would be in two colors. Towards the end of the video, I would be showing you my sketchbook little glimpses of my sketchbook from the year 2020, and in comparison to that, I would show you some of the pages of my sketchbook from 2023 this year. So stay with me here and I would see you towards the end of the video. Those were some of the paintings from 2020, and these are some from this year. Hope you liked today's video, and let me know in the comments which painting you liked the most, the little landscape which we did earlier or the abstract rose which we painted in watercolors. And all you guys have a great week ahead, a creative one if it is possible, and I would see you next time. Bye.